The iPhone cannot. Do whatever you want to. Yes.
Can record voice also, right?
Yeah.
Matt, say something to Ken.
Live long and prosper.
Say something to Ken.
Faster get a job.
Will, say something to Ken.
Happy birthday, Ken!
Alvin, say something to Ken.
誕生日有冇得多 Ken 啊？
文晶啊 say something to Ken.
Happy birthday, Ken!
Oh, wedding view montage.
I can't make too many of these high ball.
Happy birthday, Ken.
This is experimental.
Yeah.
Like,
Happy birthday, Ken.
Squeeze.
This is Ken.
That was caught on camera. What's the cocktail maker? Hi, Will.
hey, your drink is there.
Going downstairs, Jones.
That looks weird.
Where are we going?
我们在哪里？我们在 Germany。
Germany.
我们在 Germany。
Going to the top floor of MBS.
Ooh.
Join 那个 company 是 OnlyFans。漂亮，有人看。Gourmet dining again， 这边有 Gourmet dining， 不止 Gourmet。
Wait, there's a jogging track.
其实这边开餐馆。
Wait, what?
Oh.
There's a jogging track.
哎，你可以做一点 property guru 吗？
对。
So this is a one bedroom apartment.
This is the unobstructed view. Here's the
Oh my gosh. A jogging track. I will come here to jog.
Oh, look at the
What
sunset.
What the?
It's like, wow, amazing, yeah. Not bad, huh?
This East Coast Park, right? East Coast Park is over there.
East Coast Park is over there. Then this is Chinese, 什么 Chinese swimming club 是不是啊？
Oh.
Chinese swimming club. Then over there.
You want to do 一个 property guru intro?
哎呀，我不是 Ken 呢。
有山有水，风水
有山，Oh yeah，讲得好。
而且还做一个吸血的，你知道为什么做一个吸血吗？
好。
So that when you in a pool, it's blocked by all the buildings.
Wow, this is a property
There's a
guru 30 seconds advertisement. Okay, pause. Yay!
Your waistline exceed 42.
No,
Don't get me wrong. But the look.
Lesser than 40 leh. Don't say that.
No, check my lead.
What is it?
Yeah, we brought it. I like it. Later I open.
Do you need help?
Let the professional do.
You only got very fast, right?
Oh, he's a champion guy. Without
Professional, bro.
It's not sparkle, right?